I was getting up in the attic to get ready to do some wiring for the fan. I hope you can hear me, but I saw a bunch of light coming through. I said, well, gosh dang, that's bad. So it's at the end of the house. You can't see here. There's some tiles coming up too. But basically, I walked around the house. I saw somebody lost a little bit of roof gutter, and apparently that somebody is me. This is the vent cap, roof cap, ridge cap. I don't know. It's at the top of the roof where it seals. So much for my big video today. We got rain coming in Eastern North Carolina. I don't know when this happened, but it was out front, so I don't know. So we'll go up there after a while. I called the insurance company because if there's tiles done, I probably need a new roof now, which we kind of need one anyway. So we'll see what happens. But before I go up there and mess it up, I'll just let the professionals deal with it. Figure out what my deductible is. Anyway, this is NCP. The fun and joy of being a homeowner with a constantly draining wallet. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for today, I guess. I don't want to deal with this. But I have to deal with it now before the rain gets here. So, it's NCP. You have a good one, everybody. NCP out.